Ever wondered what happens to MotoGP tires after a race? Let's break it down. After a single race, those tires are completely destroyed. They're designed to give maximum grip for a very short time, not to last. The rubber is heat cycled, torn apart, and chemically changed from extreme temperatures and forces. Even if they still look good, the grip is gone. Most of these tires are taken back by the manufacturer for analysis. Engineers study wear patterns, temperature zones, and deformation to improve future compounds. Some tires are cut open, scanned, or even burned down to study the rubber structure. Others are used for testing or controlled recycling. And here's the crazy part. A tire that looks fine to the eye can already be slower and more dangerous than a brand new one, and reacting very differently than it did just a few laps earlier.